Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a little bit of a change of pace. Normally on a Wednesday I will do a how-to video, but today I am just so excited to get a package open. I just wanted to do that so I could share it with you. So what's inside this package here is going to be a really cool item from 3DLockSport. I have shared this item with you before in a few of my update videos, but what I got was the Abomination. So this is a really cool thing that you can use to store a lot of your tools, and it is just such a really cool thing to have. One of the reasons why it got its name Abomination is I believe Tony Varelli of 3DLockSport said you have to use an entire spool of the material when you 3D print it. So that is why it is such an expensive piece, but it is such a useful piece. So I'm so excited to have this in and be able to show it to everyone if anyone was ever interested in seeing what the Abomination looked like. So we'll have this opened up in just a moment here, and then we will be able to play with it. So let's discard a little bit of the paper. Got that. Got some packing material. Some really cool stickers. And I think that is everything in the package. Alright, so very quickly, let's just see. 3DLockSport sticker, I want to say that is really cool. And we got a few different versions. And then we have a printout. You can freeze the video if you're interested in reading that. But here's what we all came for. We're going to check out the Abomination in person. And just look at how big this thing is. So we're just going to cut right into it, I think, to get it open. But from here, I don't know if it's just me, but doesn't this kind of look like a typewriter? But so it has a nice type of like felt almost on the bottom. And here is the Abomination. So what's really cool about this is it has so many nice unique areas where you can hold all of your stuff. What I have here is I have my punch roll, which I use for a lot of different things. And I just wanted to show you an example of it holding a couple picks. Let's see. So, let's see. So the Peterson fits well. Then, let's see. You can stick some tension wrenches in there. Alright, so I've played with the Abomination for about 5 minutes or so, and I've added some of my most common stuff that I use that I keep on my desk. I emptied out, for the most part, this bag here, which has been keeping most of my stuff, and as you can tell, it's a little bit beat up, and you can see this piece falling right through. So I'm actually really excited to be able to start to use the Abomination. So this is what I have so far, and just bear in mind, this is just a very, very basic setup. So when we take a look at it, the first thing I'm going to notice is I'm not really sure where I can put this, because I use this very frequently when I'm taking apart locks, but it does not fit really anywhere, so I'm going to leave it right here for now. But, you know, going across the front here, you can see that I'm able to hold a variety of different plug followers I have this really nice tool for taking apart American locks. I have a tweezer here, and then my pinning tweezer right here. I put some core shims in on the bottom. I have top of the keyway in 40 thousandths and 50 thousandths. I have my two different comb bars, a variety of different top of the keyways, a variety of different bottom of the keyways, mostly ones without the twist because I don't prefer that, but I think I do have a twist in there. Then I have this disc spinner that Albert Lebel made me for disc detainer locks. I have a Y tensioner. Use that every now and then. And then just going around the back, I have my Goso pick, which I actually like a lot. And I use this mostly when I'm putting locks back together. Then I have, going all the way in the back, I have my two pickle forks and the removal tool that you can find on like Banggood that comes in that lock removal set. Then I have just a random screwdriver, random Phillips head. Got a Peterson hook 1 in 25 thousandths, Peterson gem in 25 thousandths. Then we have a Peterson gem in 18 thousandths, a hook 1 in 18 thousandths, and I believe this one is the hook 7, a hook 1 in 15 thousandths, a cheap dimple pick, a snake rake, L rake. Then we got the Bogota. And all in all, I think this is really holding all this stuff very nicely. I think the Abomination is a little bit expensive, but we do need to bear in mind that it does use a whole thing of the spindle of the material when you are 3D printing this. It is a pretty cool way to organize all of your stuff. I am really happy to have gotten it. I haven't had the opportunity to take a lock apart yet, but when you take a closer look at it, you can see in the very front here, we're going to have a really nice area to put our pens and be able to separate them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a nice place to put our cylinder. We have an area here to just put anything in general. You could maybe put some springs or just whatever you would like. Same right over here. And then we have a few different chambers here that you can separate anything that you would like. But anyway, I just would like to say that this is actually a pretty cool thing. I'm really glad I was able to order it and have it come in and just be something I feel like I'm going to use. You can be the judge, but I feel like I would much rather use this than this. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been a really quick looking at the Abomination, which is sold by 3DLockSport. If you're not familiar with them, all you need to do is go to 3DLockSport.com, check out all of the great products. I've heard really great things from different members of the community. Tony Varelli is a really nice guy, and I recommend that you check him out. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave those in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.